Khao Mu Daeng, red roast pork with rice. Red roast pork is a style of barbecue pork. The red color comes from red yeast rice used in preservation, but in our course the color comes from food coloring, usually served with eggs and vegetables. Hi, in this video we will be making red roast pork or Khao Mu Daeng, a popular dish in Thailand. You can use pork chops or pork loins. With pork chops, you will get the fat layer together with the meat. With tenderloins, you will get less fat. 0.5 kg or 1.10 pounds should be enough for 2 people. You will need 2 teaspoons of pepper, 1 teaspoon of bouillon powder, buy it from grocery store. Peanuts, 2 tablespoons. You need to grind them first. Palo powder, 2 teaspoons. Buy it from an Asian grocery store. Sugar, 3 tablespoons. Sesame seeds from grocery store. Two tablespoons of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of black soy sauce. And 2 tablespoons of regular soy sauce. All 3 sauces can be bought from an Asian grocery store. Food coloring, regular grocery store should have it. Garlic, 3 cloves. Coriander from an Asian grocery store. We will only use the roots. Depending on the size of the root, you only need 1 root if it's large. If they are small, use 2 roots. These are the ingredients for making Khao Mu Daeng. The other alternative is to use roast red pork seasoning mix. The taste will be a little different. Buy it from an Asian grocery store. Pork chops. Pork chops have layer of fat on them. Cut out the bones. You can keep the bones if you prefer, but it is more practical without bones. There. Next is pork loin. Cut in half. Cut in half again. With smaller pieces, the spices will easily cover the meat. Next step will be to marinate the meat. You should be wearing gloves for this part if you want to avoid food color to get on your hands. Start with coriander. Only use the root. Cut it into small pieces. Coriander roots will give a nice aroma to the dish. Garlic. If you don't have mortar and pestle, you can use a blender instead. Grind for about half a minute. There, the mixture is done. Pour in the coriander root and garlic mixture. Pepper. Palo powder. Black soy sauce. Use water to get all of the black soy sauce. Bouillon powder. Sugar. Oyster sauce. Use water to get all of the sauce. Peanuts. Sesame seeds. Soy sauce. Red food color. Start with small amount. Water, so it covers the meat. Mix it all together with your hands a little more color. Let the meat marinate for about 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, take the meat into a pot. Have water so it covers the meat. Turn on the heat. And get the water into a boil. Reduce the heat once the water is boiled. Let the meat boil for about 40 minutes. You can add additional water if the meat gets dry, but it shouldn't happen. After 40 minutes, turn off the heat. Take out the meat into a plate. Don't throw away the broth. We will use it as a sauce. Now we will cut up the meat. Cut into bite-sized pieces. Not too thick. That was the pork chops. Now we cut up the pork loin. Pork loin have less fat. It is up to you whether you want pork chops or pork loins. The broth will be used as sauce for the dish. The dish is usually served with cooked eggs and vegetables. The sauce is poured onto the meat. And that's it for Khao Mu Daeng. Thank you for watching.